Eggs in there. Nice and soft. Onions. Or carrots. Our fried rice was seasoned with our Legend Cookhouse Chef's Gourmet sauce. This is the sauce that we use here at Legend Cookhouse to make the fried rice. And simple and easy to use. Once you get a golden color like we have here, you know your fried rice will come out excellent. All we got to do at this stage is simply stir fry. Once we get nice and hot, we know the fried rice is done. Oh man, the aroma is going crazy in here. Nice, lovely. Look at that, guys. The fried rice is nice and loose, nice and soft. Now we are going to put it here, and the next move is to create this nice chicken fried rice. This is a lovely chicken that we fry and we keep it whole, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Fried rice, chicken fried rice. So to stay, we cut our chicken a little differently. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here you go. And then to stay, this is our plate to steak. And we are going to first put a quarter of the chicken in the bottom. And then I put a next quarter on the top and dress it up nicely. And this is going to be your chicken fried rice.
We're from upstate New York traveling to Queens, and this is one of the best authentic Guyanese food we had so far in Queens. And if you're in Queens, stop by Legend. The food is top of the line. Yeah man, it's good.